In this video, we are going to share our cheesy pasta recipe with yourself. This is a simple, easy to make pasta recipe which you are absolutely going to love. Let's get this started. So we're going to start it off by cutting some vegetables that we need. So here we are using half an onion, thinly slice it, cut it into cubes, half a tomato, again cut into little pieces, and I'm using half a bell pepper, cut it into small chunks. Get half a pan of water, you need to boil it. When it comes to the boiling point, add your pasta in it. I'm using fusilli. I'm using half a pack, I think it's about 350 gram. Cover the pan and let it come to boil. When it starts boiling, gets to about 90% done, you can just drain the pasta in a separate pan, add some onions, fry them, bring them to light brown, add your tomatoes, mix them well, salt to taste, and I'm also using red chili powder. Add some water, put your bell peppers in there and give them a good mix. We're just going to cook them for 5-10 minutes so the peppers are nice and soft. Once we're ready, we'll just put our pasta in the pan and again give it a good mix. Guys, if you are enjoying this video, can I ask you to like and subscribe to my channel, as this will help us massively to make more great cooking videos. Now we're going to add original bologna sauce into the pasta. I'm using Dolmio sauce. You can use the same sauce from other brands if you prefer. Again, give it a good mix just to make sure you get nice texture and color throughout your pasta. At this point, I'll add some oregano just to give it a bit more flavor. I'm using medium cheddar cheese, it's 220 gram. Again, obviously you grate the cheese, you add it into pasta, you give it a good mix. I'm going to use most of the cheese for the pasta. I'm just going to leave some just to grate it on the top. Give it a good mix just to make sure cheese mixes well inside the pasta. You want to make sure it's a nice cheesy texture that you get with your pasta. Put some more cheese in and give it another good mix. Like I said, I'm just going to leave a little bit of cheese to put it on top. Most of it goes inside the pasta just to make sure we get that rich cheesy flavor for our pasta. Now add the leftover cheese on the pasta, add some mixed herbs and oregano, and we will just cover the pan and we'll just let this cheese melt. Let it rest for 5-10 minutes and there you go, your cheesy pasta is ready. Guys, you must try this cheese pasta. It's rich in flavor, easy to make, only takes about half an hour to make, but it's absolutely yummy. Your kids are going to love it, your family is going to love it.